Okay, hello guys, welcome to our live trading session. Just let me know if everything is okay because I cannot see any information that the stream is okay. I need to double check. Okay, so give me a second. Guys, I need few minutes time because I cannot see anyone on the stream. Something is wrong for sure. Give me a second. Hello. Once again, hello guys. Let me know if you can hear me, if you can see me. I got some problems today with the stream, so if you can give me some information, guys. Let me know if everything is good and we can start our session. Okay, good guys. Sorry about small delay. Yes, very good. Okay, so guys, let's start our live trading session. It's nearly 10 past 2. We got some news coming up in about 20 minutes time, so let's have a look in our microeconomic calendar. Forex Factory. We got unemployment climbs later on 2:30 p.m. So we need to be careful because these are high impact news. So probably we won't place any trade before those news. We need to wait and see what's going to happen during those news. I wanted to move the session to 3 p.m., but to be honest, I forgot about it. I forgot about that. So voice perfect. Thank you guys for that information. Very good. Okay, so we got some news in about 20 minutes time. We can have a look at the charts. Morning basically plan didn't work and I hit stop loss. So yes, today I got stopped out. Unfortunately, sometimes it's happening like this. So let's have a look what happened in the morning. The plan was not this one. This is the other plan. The plan was to go up basically from here. Wanted to go up, but the price dropped later and I hit stop loss. What can I say? Sometimes sometimes we hit stop losses as well, guys. Okay. So the plan was, I think the plan was pretty good. I cannot say it was bad plan, but it just didn't work. So it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna wait maybe for the news and then we're gonna try to open some trades. So I need to put that trade into the statistics. So I need to count that to statistics. Give me a second. I need to refresh the platform. Okay. So close position. Yeah, I got loss of $2,525 today. Unfortunately, but yes. So let's put that in the trading journal. Okay, lot size 11. Yeah, that's the one. That is the ones I'm gonna edit that, count to statistics, loss of 252560. Close price was 6476. Open time was 0956 and the close time was 10:17. 20 minutes later, guys. Stop loss we got right. This is okay. This is okay. All right. So I want to count this to statistics, update trade. And now we got that in trading history, guys. Yes. Okay. So anyway, it's not too bad because we still got $7,000 and $7,600 in plus, so it's not too bad, I can say. But it could be better, of course. We're gonna look for some other plans today. But we'll have to wait another 15 minutes. I don't think anyone's gonna join me on a live trading session. Probably it's gonna be just me. Euro USD, okay. Got some kind. Guys, probably we could use price action cycle because we got some news. My hands are tied and I can't do anything. Because probably we could find not range, but maybe the first leg, second leg. Probably on euro we can try to find some kind of range because in the morning the price was moving in some kind of consolidation, but we need to wait for the news because we can, you know, go up, down. I'm not sure where they're gonna go. So after the news, we're gonna look for some trades, of course. 1 second, I'm gonna check something. Okay. And the gold is moving all day in the range. Look at the gold. I'm not sure if they are waiting for the news or what's going on, but all day we are in range. I said in the morning that I usually try not to trade in during this kind of range because price is going up and down and it's hard. Bartek, do you now use the smart money strategy more often than the price action strategy in your sessions? Yes, I think I use more smart money concept than price action cycle because most of the time I'm trading using smart money concept. I do have some setups from price action cycle, but most of them are from smart money concept. So I showing you what I trade, guys. What I trade. So maybe we're gonna make a plan from price action cycle. That's not a problem. Price action cycle is working great, but we need to wait for the news. I'm asking because I don't understand some of the moves. Yes, I know most of the smart money concept setups are on the mentoring program on the second level, let's say. So first we got some basic strategies which are working pretty well, and then there is smart money. Okay, 15 minutes time. So yeah, gold, I want to leave. I want to have a look also at crude oil because crude oil maybe it's not gonna be affected by the news. Usually it's not. So maybe we can trade on crude oil. I hit stop loss on crude oil today. So hopefully next one will be take profit. So let's have a look from higher time frame. What's going on? We've got some rotation channels from 1 hour time frame. The price went through this rotation channel. They didn't retest it, so I'm just confused because we got some imbalance left behind. We can still go back here, retest it, and then drop. Maybe that can be a good plan. But now they stuck in some kind of consolidation right now. But let's have a look at our trading day so we can look at price action cycle, guys. Price action cycle because the day started with the range, so we can look for the setup to go back into the range. Okay. So let's try to find as many reactions as we can find from the bottom and from the top. Black. Okay. We need to move it a little bit, probably. Or maybe top. A little bit higher, not like this. Oh. Basically, this can work. It's not too bad. The reactions are fine, let's say. This one is not. So this can be our non-trade zone. Okay, so this is our non-trade zone. We got to the 1 to 3rd expansion. And from the bottom right here, we can expect buyers. Template. Okay. And another one right here. We can do the same from the top on the other side, because if the price will get to the other side, we can look for come back to the range from the other side, so we can check the pendulum swing basically. Okay. So from the top, I'm gonna change the color and we're gonna make it green. Oh, it's wrong, guys. From the top, we should have red color, because we are looking for sellers here. My mistake, guys. And from the bottom, we should have green color. Because here we are looking for buyers. Okay. Good. So we got some kind of range. I'm gonna remove that rotation channel, and also I don't need this Fibo. So we got range. The price went down. This is not perfect reaction, but here we had reaction. We had a micro rotation. Basically, over here probably there was a opportunity for us to open the trade to go back into the range, but we are too late now. We got double bottom here also, so even after bullish rotation confirmed, we got bearish rotation confirmed. Not yet. We're gonna leave it. What's going on? Okay. I think it might be a little bit too late. Let me check where is the open of the day. This is later. This. Open of the day. It's good, but now it's a little bit too late for us to enter the position. Maybe if we're gonna go a little bit lower, then we're gonna see bullish rotation. Maybe yes, but at this moment it's a little bit tricky, because even if I would open position right here, my stop loss is supposed to be here, and we got 1 to 1, maybe 1 to 1.1. For me, not enough. Okay, this risk to reward is not enough for me. But this is price action cycle. I want to also have a look at exchange volume profile, because we got nice gap over here. This one here. And we can expect reaction. I'm just wondering if I could set a limit order with the very small risk 1 to 5 at this level right here. It could be a good idea, maybe. I'm gonna leave it for now. Got 8 minutes still news. Okay, but we still might go a little bit lower. If yes, we can look for the trade to go back into the range, but we're gonna need some more space. Maybe they don't need to go low, but they don't need to go that low. Can be something like this. Yeah, but we need some more space. Hello, guys. Hello. No coffee, but I got my water. Oh, just thinking about this pending order right here. This imbalance. No, I'm gonna wait. I prefer this kind of setups on gold, but oh, gold is moving. Nice. Moving up. I'm gonna check fixed range volume profile. We can find some nice places to enter the trade. You don't see anything at this moment. We're still in this range, guys. Up and down, up and down. When we get here, we can think about selling, because when the price will get here, huge chance that we're gonna drop down. Guys, we got 6 minutes till news. 6 minutes. Not gonna touch gold. I'm gonna wait for them to move. And then we're gonna try to do something. Because if we are looking at gold and we are looking at this range right here, guys, we got some liquidity on both sides of this range. Okay. So there is a chance we're gonna go up and then boom, or down and the other side. We just stuck in this small range. Australian dollar. Okay, but we got some news, so can't do anything at this moment on Australian dollar. Not now. Another 4 minutes. And then we're gonna see. Then we're gonna see. Hopefully nothing's gonna happen, so we can look for some trades. Gonna look for some trades. I would like to make a plan on any other assets, but guys, before news, it doesn't make sense. I'm supposed to move this session to for 3 p.m., but I forgot about that. So you know. I think Pavel wants to join me on our live session. Mm, 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. I can remove this for now. Yeah, we're gonna look for the trade to go back into the range. If the price will go lower on crude oil, we can check micro rotation and we can see if we got any chance to go down, basically. To go up, sorry. We can check micro rotation from 5 minutes time frame, should be enough. Let's maybe check from 3 minutes time frame. Is it gonna be any better? I don't think so. So let's have a look from 5 minutes time frame. We are looking for micro rotation, which can be here. Bearish rotation right here. Then we are looking for bullish one. This is not micro rotation. The price wasn't moving in rotation channel. We are still looking for bullish one, which was here, bullish. Then we got bearish rotation right here. It's confirmed. So now we can expect bullish rotation. So let them go a little bit lower, maybe to our expansion right here. We're gonna wait for bullish rotation and we're gonna try to enter the trade to get to maybe open of the day. Okay. It might be a good idea. Okay, 1 minute left, right? Let's check. 30 seconds, guys. Gold. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. And nothing's going on. It's not moving. Euro is moving. Euro is moving up. Nothing special happened, guys. That's good because you know, we can make some plans for now, which is good. Gold, I will leave it. I don't want to make any decision this kind of consolidation. I just don't like it. I'm gonna have a look at crude oil because they're dropping down. We are after bearish rotation, so now we can expect bullish one. But let them finish this impulse first, okay? Then we're gonna try to go back into the range. We're supposed to start later because I got nice setup on US 500, but after 4 p.m. So probably we're gonna finish session before that time. Maybe tomorrow we're gonna do it. Can I remove the one-click trading panel on MFA? What do you mean? If you go to full screen, you got one-click trading right here. But it's only on full screen mode. Normal mode. It should be okay. All right. So yeah, crude oil, we still have a chance to go up, of course, because the day started with some kind of range, so we can expect the price to come back into that range. So we're gonna use that. I know we're supposed to use the pattern for news, but unemployment rate is not the best news for this kind of trading. The best news are NFP, non-farm payrolls, CPI in United States, USA, interest rate decisions. These three are working the best for this pattern. The rest, like you can see, nothing really happened on the market. So NFP, yes. CPI in United States, yes. Interest rate decisions, yes. Okay. All right. Price slowly dropping down. Let's wait. No rush. Gold, I will leave it like I said, but euro maybe. Guys, this is DXY index. We still got that gap at the bottom. So basically, we might get there maybe today. You see, euro is going up. GBP. Maybe we're gonna wait for some kind of pullback. Strong impulse. We just check this inputs right here. Okay. Not sure. I'm not sure. Did they grab liquidity from Asian session? Let's have a look. We got some, not only Asian session, but we got some Europe session. We can mark that box as well. 7:30, 45, Europe. Okay. So we got another liquidity zone. Like here, there was small reaction, but now we got another one here. The same on GBP USD. Here they grabbed it already. We are late because there was liquidity grab. Here the same. They touch liquidity and they are going opposite direction. But USD JPY, guys, is it's looking good. They grab some liquidity from Europe and Asia. So maybe we can use the simple trend line. Let's have a look if we got any target from all-in ASAP strategy. Properties, load. Oh yes, we have. We have targeted the bottom. This is USD JPY, guys. The main trade, let's say, is bearish from 4-hour time frame. Oh, and on USD JPY, we got huge gap here. Unless I need to refresh the. Okay. Okay. Fair enough. But yes, we have a chance to go down, but market structure from 1-hour time frame changed right here. So we might have continuation. Let's have a look from lower time frame. We have a first leg. Second leg, it's not done. I bet they stop somewhere around 61.8. Come on. Sorry, not 161.8, but 61. 1 second, I need to change it. Function properties. 0 point. Like this. Yeah, somewhere around 61.8. Anyway, we can look for some long position or for some short position. This might be our rotation channel, bullish rotation channel from lower time frame, of course. From lower time frame, I don't usually use price action cycle strategy on USD JPY, guys. If you are using, let me know. Is it good for you, USD JPY, or not? I want to know what's going to happen here after getting to this line. This is very important because if we're going to bounce from here, we're going to look for one of our setups, okay? One of our setups to go up. But first, I want to see what's going to happen here, right at the bottom. Okay. So yes, we can wait for USD JPY. We can also have a look at our volume AI indicator, because sometimes when there's nothing to do, could use this kind of indicator. Euro USD. Okay, we got crude oil, which is going down. Let's have a look. If we're gonna stop here, probably we're gonna have something like double bottom, but the price need to go up now. If they're gonna leave weak, that's okay. That's okay. All right, let me just remove that. Yes, I know USD JPY today, yes. Not too bad, but yeah, it could be better. It could be better. So we are getting close to the second expansion right here. If we're gonna have some reaction, we might have a chance to go up, but I don't like this imbalance right here. We need to wait for bullish rotation. So at the moment, I cannot see any bullish rotation. First bullish rotation, we're gonna try to get to open of the day, but at this moment, not really. They can still drop lower, okay? So we're gonna check that in the second. USD JPY slowly getting to this area. Oh, Nasdaq is moving. USD CHF. Yeah, on Euro USD or GBP USD, I think I'm gonna wait for the price to enter the liquidity zone from Europe session, and if we're gonna grab it, we'll try to open the trade opposite direction. It's working all the time, guys. If you look at previous days, look, this candle went to liquidity and there was a reaction. We entered the liquidity zone from Europe session and the reaction going down right here, not really. Here they grab liquidity, move up. So, you know, guys, it's happening maybe not every single day, but there are here situations. Price got into liquidity zone and boom. So we will see. Guys, this session will be a little bit shorter because I will probably have to finish at 3 p.m. because everything changed and moved, because I thought we're gonna have a session at 3. I have to I didn't let you know, guys, so I had to do the session at 2, and I have to move something from 2 to 3. So I got meeting at 3. So we got only another 15 minutes time. Another 15 minutes time. So I want to make some kind of plan, because guys, today not the best start because I hit stop loss. So it would be great to find another opportunity and make some nice profit, guys. So we gonna look at that. Still still waiting for the price to get to the expansion. The plan is quite simple because we need to get here, let's say, to the expansion, and I want bullish rotation, but this is blocking me just a little bit, this imbalance, because if we got this imbalance here, even if we're gonna have bullish rotation, they might get to this area and they can drop lower. So for me, this is like not really, if I'm talking about price action cycle. It doesn't fit my trading. Euro USD, if we're gonna get here into liquidity zone, I will look for the breakout. Not like this, or it can be like this, but probably the trend line will look a little bit different, because if we're gonna go up here, maybe I will do trend line like this, and I will look for the trade to go down after the breakout or retest, and then breakout to the other side. Why? Because it's happening nearly every single day. We grab the liquidity from Asian, Europe session, and usually we are going opposite direction. So I'm gonna make a screenshot, and I will look for this trade later. Okay, similar on GBP USD. These are simple plans. Let's have a look if we got any other areas. No, not really. Look at these candles for 1 hour time frame. The body is equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles. Nice. Let's move on to 50 minutes time frame. This area is quite strong because they cannot break it. Because it's quite strong, we can use probably our AI indicator, because this area should work basically. Okay, we got 5 minutes time frame. So if we're gonna break through, retest it on GBP, and indicator will tell us that the buyers are coming into the market, we can try to go up. I know this is some liquid zone from Asian session, but not only from Asian session, but from Europe session. From Asian session, it's already been grabbed. This is just a Europe session. But if the price will go up, come back down, and we're gonna have reaction, I wouldn't worry about the, the price to go down. I will try to open the long position. But if we're gonna enter this area and the price will reverse, I will look for short positions because of this range from Europe session. Also, if they grab liquidity, we can use it to go opposite direction, basically. So yeah, US GBP, let's have a look at gold, maybe one of these areas. We got into liquidity zone. Wouldn't be surprised if we're gonna have reaction now and the price will drop to the other side of this range right now. No. Yeah, we got to the third expansion. We got some break of sub. Three times take profit and one break even on GBP today. Okay, what were you trading? Which strategy did you use to make some profits? Marek, good for you. 3 take profits, 1 break even. Very good day. So let me know, Marek, what did you trade? Come on, come back. We can also check the footprint. No, but the candle doesn't look too good for me. I mean, the volume profile could be better. Box 830. Okay. Happy and imbalance. Good. Good. Box 830 on GBP. That's good for you because it's very simple setup. So yeah, it's very nice. Easy money, I can say. Box breakout. Okay. We got reaction. Yes, if we're gonna have bullish rotation, we're gonna think about the trade, but I'm still worried about this imbalance, okay? A little bit worried about this imbalance. So we're gonna wait a little bit. Nothing special going on. I think it's better to wait for stock market to open and look for some setup on US 500. I'm gonna do that later for sure because I need to open. I don't have to, but I can open one more trade because I hit one stop loss on this account, this one here. So I can try one more. I don't want to recover losses. Don't get me wrong. I just want to find a nice setup, maybe US 500. If not, I'm gonna look at crude oil, but I think we're gonna go lower. I'm not sure about the setup to go up. Not now. Maybe after the reaction and the pullback, maybe yes, but still need to wait because this reaction is pretty good. We could add trend line, but this trend line is crap. Because before we're gonna get there, half move, you'll be done. Yeah, all going up. GBP, we can use AI volume indicator. So if you got access to this AI volume indicator, guys, watch the market because if we're gonna break through, the price will stay on this side and we're gonna have nice candle. There is a chance to use AI volume indicator to make some profit, 1 to 2 risk to reward. It can be easy trade, but at this moment where you look when you look at the zone, this is bearish volume zone. So I don't care about that now. And be careful because you can see 1, 2, 3, 5 candles stopped at one level. So something is definitely blocking GBP from going up. Okay, 5 candles from 1 hour time frame, they stopped at the same level 5 hours in a row. So if we're gonna break this, we definitely can look for long position. But if we're gonna break this and they're gonna go straight down, I'm gonna look for some short positions, okay? Because after liquidity grab, we can look for the setup to go down. So I'm in this Europe session box. So if we're gonna break through, down. If we're gonna break through and the price will bounce from this support zone right here, I will go up. So two different scenarios on GBP. They are very simple. but it all depends how the market will react in that volume zone. If it's gonna be bearish or bullish reaction, okay, that's very important. So I'm gonna put that into the trading journal. This is GBP USD. So yeah, we might have a chance for this one, that's for sure. I'm not going to higher time frame because we don't have too much time. Only few minutes left. So I'm looking for the currency. I don't want to look, don't need quick trade, but we want nice trade. But sometimes we can find easy setups. Easy setups. Okay, USD JPY. This is quite important. If we're gonna break through, I will try to go down. But if you're gonna stay on this side, we might have chance to get to the measure move second leg to go higher. So here we can look for one of our setups because we got some bearish rotation here. We can wait for the price to go up. First try of buyers, second try of buyers, and if there will be strong reaction, I will enter the position. That is not a problem. But the thing is, we need to stay on this side of this trend line. If we're gonna break through, probably I will look for some short positions because we got a target down here. Target is around 71% away from the price right now. Okay, so the target is somewhere right here. So if you're gonna break through, probably we'll wait for a retest and then we'll try to go down to the target, which is 70 pips lower, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna slowly finish. It's 4 to 3. It's quite boring right now. I don't have too much time, I can say, and we got few plans, not much. Nothing much going on today. Hopefully the Friday will be better because this week is not the best for me. It's not too bad, but I mean on this account for live trading session because I got lost now in total $3,000. So at the moment is the worst week of this year. The worst week of this year. Tomorrow last day for me to get some profits because from the beginning of the year every single week was in profit and this week is a little bit different. But sometimes it is like this. We can't have it all. I would like to see profits every single day, every single week. Most of the weeks, yes, I close with profits, but most of them. Days, maybe not, but weeks, yes. But this week, I still have a time. I need just one good trade to get finish this week with profit. So guys, for now, thank you. Sorry for the session that is so short. Tomorrow we're gonna try to make this longer and we're gonna change timing for sure. Okay, I'm gonna make sure we're gonna change it because 2 o'clock is too early. I've got nice setups after 4 p.m. so we're gonna start 3 p.m. probably every single day and we're gonna have 2 hours so we can get much more from the market, guys. All right, that's it for now. Thank you guys for your attention and I will see you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning during live trading session, we're gonna look for some trades also. Thank you guys and I will see you